Hello folks, Waz here, B&B Audio Concepts, and today we have a 17-plate SKODA with this radio and an old Bluetooth. We are now going to transform this to a KENWOOD 5023, which will give him Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, DAB and Bluetooth, and bring this car back up to 2025 for a fraction of a cost. And I'll show you the next bit now. Folks, here we have it now. All done and changed. We now have the KENWOOD 5023, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth, DAB. We're listening to DAB at the moment because I don't have a lead, as this is a wired unit, and now has brought the car up to date. So simple, cheap upgrade, but gives you everything that you need in today's society. We are part of the KENWOOD Pro scheme, so that means you get a 3-year warranty with this, and it's been professionally installed, so any problems you can come back to us. This is B&B Audio Concepts and we're based in Cardiff. Thank you very much.